We got to go home.
The same disease that cut short Terry Fox's marathon of hope has claimed the life of his father, Rolly.
Proud of both Betty and Terry, for Betty to do what she did for the last 30 years.
The Fox family patriarch passed away Tuesday at 80 years old after a brief battle with lung cancer made public in January. And more than 3 decades of fighting tirelessly for a cure to the very disease he and his son fought. Our dad and grandpa is no longer telling jokes, the Fox family said in a statement, noting he died while listening to a little Hank Williams. He fulfilled his promise to Terry, facing cancer with courage, grace, and plenty of humor. Described as a quiet jokester by those who knew him, Rolly took a more visible role as the face of the Terry Fox Foundation after the death of his wife Betty 5 years ago. But he was always a driving force behind it.
3, 2, 1, go!
The foundation has raised more than $700 million for cancer research, much of it through the thousands of schools across Canada who run in Terry's memory every fall.
It's like Terry was still alive today, that he's actually, people think of him more so today than they did 25 years ago.
The elder Fox started smoking at the age of 19, but quit on a dare from his brother in his 40s.
We must continue on, following Terry's lead and example of never, ever giving up.
It's that same determination the Fox family says Rolly will be remembered for, as they now carry forward his legacy.
So many memories there, Sarah. He was such a pioneer in the fight for a cure. What's his family saying tonight?
Well, we spoke with the Fox family by phone earlier this evening. Understandably, they don't want to speak to the media other than that statement they released earlier today. Premier Christy Clark, however, did release a statement late tonight calling Rolly Fox a dedicated and resolute pillar in the fight against cancer. Norma?
An end of an era for sure. Thanks, Sarah.